how to update your Google Pixel 7 to the latest Android 17 beta. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up your Chrome or your web browser. And here, go to the web address and you want to type in google.com/android/beta. So here I have it in my clipboard, and then tap on the go button. On this page here, you scroll down and then go to your device. Once the web page detected your device, tap on the opt-in button. So we want to enroll this device for the Android 17 beta program. Now go down and agreed and tap on confirm and enroll. Here says your device is now part of the Android 17 beta program. So what you want to do is you want to go into settings, system, and then system update. And so here a system update will soon be offered to your device. You can check to see if an update is pending by navigating to that menu. So here we scroll down and then tap on settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on system. And then we tap on software update and then tap on the system update. And at the moment it is still updating the previous software. Once that has finished, it will then offer you to update to the beta program. And that's it. So that's how you can update your Google Pixel 7 Pro or 8 or 9 or 10 to the latest Android 17 beta. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.